Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to integrate Notion with Slack. This connection allows you to receive Notion updates directly in your Slack channels, keeping your team synced and informed without having to constantly switch between apps. Let's get started. First, open your Notion workspace. Once you're in, look over to the left sidebar where you'll find various navigation options. Click on Settings. This is where you'll access all the configuration options for your Notion account, including the integration tools we need today. After clicking Settings, you'll see several tabs appear. Navigate to the Connections tab, which you'll find under the Account section. This is Notion's hub for managing all your workspace integrations with other platforms. It's where you can link Notion to the various tools your team uses daily. In the Connections tab, scroll down to the section labeled Discover New Connections. Here you'll see a list of available integrations that Notion supports. Look for Slack among these options. Once you've located it, you'll notice a Connect button right underneath. Go ahead and click that button to begin the integration process. Clicking Connect will open a new window. This is the authorization screen that bridges Notion and Slack together. You'll see details about what the integration will allow Notion to do within your Slack workspace. Take a moment to review the requested permissions that appear on screen. These permissions determine how Notion can interact with your Slack channels and what information it can access. Once you've reviewed everything and feel comfortable with the permissions, click Allow. This authorizes Notion's access to your Slack workspace and completes the connection between the two platforms. The integration should process within a few seconds. To make sure everything went smoothly, head back to your Notion workspace. Navigate once again to Settings, then click on the Connections tab. Here you should now see Slack listed as an active connection. This confirms that the integration is properly set up and ready to use, and that's it. Your Notion workspace is now connected to Slack, allowing seamless communication between both platforms. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.